Alright guys, what's up? Alec back with another stock market investing video. Today you'll see we are up on the day. We're up even almost 3% at one point. We're still up about 20% now in the last 3 months, which is really awesome. I come on here almost every day to show you guys how it can be done. Started from $0, working my way up. We're about to pass 10K, and today we have a great video for you. It's going to be 2 swing trades that you definitely should have your eye on. So if you don't know what a swing trade is, here it is defined for you. But think of it as typically I like to refer to it as typically holding 5 days to 2 weeks, sometimes even 4 weeks in some cases, or even a little bit longer. You know, sometimes swing trades could even be like a month or 2 months, and then you sell for profit. So let me show you 2 good options we have here for swing trades. The first one's going to be Fastly at $78 right now. And what you'll see is this support right at 76, right at 75. It's just bouncing off this thing time and time again. So it looks like we're set up right here for a perfect swing trade. So here I broke down the supports for you guys and the resistances. If you're not on my close friends list, you're definitely missing out if you like my content, because I post there very frequently, and this is the type of content that you'll see. So here you'll actually see I circled it, and I said I would set a price alert for around here. It looks like it's ready to bounce off the support, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be the 5th time it's bouncing off this support, and you can easily see a little bit of gain here. So let's talk about how much money we could potentially gain. You know, this one I would take about 10% profit in about 1 month time with this one. You know, we can easily see it going back up to the resistance here of 95. So 95, anywhere from $90 to 95 to see a run up is going to be completely reasonable, and I would definitely sell and take profits at around $90 to $95 a share. All right, the next stock that's going to be looking like a good swing trade for right now, this week and this month, is going to be Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX. Y'all know it. It's going to be down about 6 to 7% just today, 10% in the week. But if you look at its 3-month chart, that's when it does get a little interesting, because you can see the same thing going on with Fastly. You know, we see a fundamental graph getting set up here, and it's not quite at the resistance. So I would wait on this one a little bit more. And like I said, if you're not on my close friends list, then you're definitely missing out, because I post content like this all the time. These are just 2 quick ones. I'm going to be doing a video for you today, but you know, you're missing out on a lot more than just this by not being on the close friends. So DM me to get more info about it. So here you'll see Netflix is getting into buy territory. I would buy between 480, 470. This is an easy fundamental graph, and you'll see it bouncing off that support. Now, the close friends list gives you way more real time. So if we take and look at how many times it hit that resistance, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, and this can be the 7th time. Now with this resistance, we can see it getting as low as, 470 or even 465. I don't think it'll go below 465. So I would say around 470 is going to be the time to buy Netflix. So definitely have it on your watch list, set it up price alert for around 470 to 475. And then you can ride it all the way up back to about 500 to 520. And I'm sure we'll even see new all-time highs with Netflix to 550. The only reason it took a little bit of a tumble is because they didn't have as many subscribers as they thought, and they actually missed earnings. So you'll see in Q3 2020, they actually missed earnings, and they missed earnings in Q2. But Netflix is overall a good company, and their graph, their fundamental graph, you can see a good swing trade coming up here too. Good opportunity. So here you'll actually see, here's how Disney lost Shonda Rhimes to Netflix over a Disney Pass. And you can read a little bit about them too. Here's everything coming in Netflix in November 2020 and what's leaving. You know, analysts buy, hold, only a 12% sell. So we can see this one going down another, about another 8%, 5 to 8% before we actually see some gains on Netflix as well. And keep in mind, swing trades are a little always more risky than long-term trading. Typically, I am a long-term trader, but I like meddling around with swing trades and options every once in a while, especially when I see good opportunities in the market. It's hard to pass them up too. So I hope this put a little bit into perspective, and it was pretty straightforward with you guys. You see I'm up 30%, or excuse me, 20% in the last 3 months. If your account doesn't look like this and you need some help, go ahead and reach out to me. I have many different things. I'll actually pull them up on the screen right now that I offer. So here's all the benefits of my training course program, what we're going to be learning in the training course, and how to actually learn a fundamental analysis. Then you'll also see the close friends list, the benefits of the close friends list. And then finally, you'll actually see me as the third and final benefit. You always have access to me. You can DM me what stocks you're looking at. And if you can send me your fundamental analysis on it, and I can double check it to make sure you're looking at the right supports and resistances and give you my feedback on what you could have done better. So reach out to me, guys. Other than that, if you did like the video, leave a thumbs up if you want to see some more swing trades. I know we went over options and long trades a lot, so here's the swing trade video for you guys. Leave a comment below, share it with a friend. This is vital information you want to get out as quick as possible, and you want everyone to hear. Until next time, guys, remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.